You step on the gas pedal to merge onto the highway, and instead of a smooth acceleration, your engine stumbles, idles incredibly rough, or completely dies on you while a bright check engine light glares from your dashboard. If your code reader is pulling a P0403, your engine's exhaust gas recirculation system, specifically the control circuit, is having a serious meltdown. The EGR system is essentially your engine's way of recycling a small amount of exhaust gas back into the intake manifold to lower combustion temperatures and reduce emissions. This flow is managed by a vacuum solenoid that gets ignition voltage, and your powertrain control module acts as the boss by grounding the control circuit to turn it on and off. The computer is constantly watching this electrical driver. When it commands the EGR on, it expects to see low voltage near zero, and when it turns it off, it expects high voltage near battery level. When those numbers do not match up, it throws the P0403 code. Usually, if it is just an electrical glitch, you might only see the warning light, but if that solenoid is physically jammed open with carbon buildup and debris, your engine is basically choking on its own exhaust at idle. To fix this in your driveway, you want to grab a skin tool and command the solenoid on with the engine off. Listen closely for a sharp clicking sound. If it clicks, you might have an intermittent wiring issue or excessive resistance in the harness. If it is dead silent, you need to grab a multimeter. Check for a solid 12 volts at the supply wire. If you have power but no click, the solenoid itself is likely fried internally. You can also pull the valve off and try blowing through it lightly. If air passes through easily when it should be closed, it is stuck and needs to be replaced. Always check the wiring harness for worn pins or areas where engine vibration might have chafed the wires against a metal bracket, causing a short to ground. Engine bays get incredibly hot and experience a ton of vibration, making these wire harnesses highly susceptible to heat damage over the years. Do not just throw a new solenoid at it without checking the plug connector first, because a loose pin or a bit of water intrusion from washing your engine bay can cause this exact same nightmare. Take your time, test the ground circuit properly, and you will save yourself a massive headache.